The general counsel is pivotal during any crisis, but even more so in an incident response situation. They oftentimes serve as the incident commander, sitting over top of various work streams from legal to forensics to ransom payments and negotiations, communications, and they really ensure that information is flowing between the work streams and that all work streams are moving together in a simultaneous fashion and driving towards one goal. In an incident response situation, there are a lot of different cooks in the kitchen and many external parties that are engaged to help the organization get through the crisis. From ransom negotiators to external counsel, external PR providers, you want the GC at the center of those decisions. If your GC isn't at the table because things are better left in the organization's mind to the InfoSec team or the CISO, they need to be in those conversations to protect privilege and to ensure that those work streams are sharing information and decisions are being made with all of the facts at the ready. It's oftentimes the chief risk officer's role to identify where investments need to be made in order to mitigate risk. On the flip side, the general counsel is anticipating litigation fallout from crisis scenarios. They're thinking about what might come down the pike in terms of congressional hearings, government investigations, and then ultimately the chief privacy officer gets involved when data is at risk and individuals need to be notified of a risk to their own personal identifiable information, or PII. If you take the three officers and you combine them, you can really understand why they need to be working in tandem in order to best protect the company from a financial standpoint, from a reputation standpoint, and from a litigation standpoint.